Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes from RBL Public School, Standard 6 GK. In this lesson, we will know about migratory birds. Migratory birds means pravasi pakshi. First, Atlantic sparrowhawk. Asiatic sparrowhawk is a bird of prey, but it is smaller compared to the larger birds of prey such as eagles. They are found in forests, and during the winters they make their way to India and Myanmar. Sparrowhawks migrate to India for a period of roughly 4-6 months. 2. Harriers. The pale harrier, the Marsh harrier, and the pied harrier are birds of prey and make their way to India during the winters. They can be seen in many parts of India, such as Saurashtra in Gujarat. Third, peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon is found almost everywhere in the world. They are known for their speed. When hunting, they can dive to a speed of more than 200 mph and are the fastest bird on record. Osprey. The osprey is usually found near water bodies as their main prey is fish. The claws of the osprey are especially adapted to catch fish. 5. Pacific golden plover. The Pacific golden plover is known to breed in extremely cold climates such as Siberia and Alaska. In the winters, they fly in flocks and travel great distance to reach countries such as India and Singapore. Blue throat. The blue throat prefers to breed in very cold climates across the world such as Alaska, but they migrate to India and other nearby countries and continents during the winter. Wagtails. The white and yellow wagtails are tiny, pretty, and have cheerful calls. When flocks of them come to India and other countries, they are known to fly almost cattle and other domesticated animals, and then they congregate together afterwards. Eurasian bighorn. The bighorn belongs to the species of ducks. They are recognized because of their russet color and plumage. Greater flamingo. It is the state bird of Gujarat. As the name suggests, they have an average height of 5 feet, and some are known to grow as much as 6 feet in height. Starling. These birds can adapt to living in the wild these birds can adapt to living in the wild as much as they adapt to living amongst humans. Starlings are known to be very gregarious and noisy. So students, revise this and learn this.